Thomas works at the yard and the station with the two other engines. Donald helps other engines. Henry is a strong engine. Spencer takes the Duke and Duchess. Sir Hansel does any work. Sir Hansel does anything. Like moving. Look at him go. Then Thomas moves. And there goes the engines. But these three engines are working. And there's Mighty Mac and Rocky. They work in the yard too. And here's the box that came in with them. And for Thomas and the Jet Engine, that is right here. And an extra Thomas in case.